Have you ever tried to add the new content and features into your app, only to see it grow beyond recognition? We all know that users want smaller app packages, but enriching features as well. Is there a way to make this happen? That's where App Bundle comes in. With this service, you can cut the size of your apps down by 25% by using the AAB format for packaging instead of APK. Apps that use App Bundle tend to boost their installation success rate from 95% to 99% and see higher update rates with fewer uninstalls. An app in App Bundle format uses .aab as its file name extension and contains all of the app's compiled code and other resources. However, you need a distribution platform to compile and generate APKs, sign your app, and generate app packages dynamically adapting to users' devices. This significantly reduces the app size. You can also integrate the Dynamic Ability SDK to convert rarely used functions into dynamic features. After installing your app, users can decide for themselves whether or not to download these features on a case-by-case basis. Since March 2020, the number of apps in App Bundle format that are released through AppGallery Connect has increased rapidly. By the end of June, there had already been hundreds of thousands of downloads. App Bundle enables users to download features on demand and boosts your app installs.